Okay, we are on page 60 and we are going to do numbers 7 through 12. Clark painted the house for his mother. I see a prepositional phrase for his mother. First word's preposition. His is a possessive adjective. Don't forget your arrow. Who or what is doing the action? Clark is my subject. What is Clark doing? Clark painted is my main verb. Now I have the house left. House is a noun, so it's my complement. The is an adjective describing house. Number 8, the lamp on the table fell to the floor. I have to first check my to. To the floor is a prepositional phrase and on the table. First word is preposition, last word noun, and then I just have the and the. Nothing fancy. Who or what is doing the action? It is lamp is my subject. Don't forget to label that as an adjective. And what did the lamp do? The lamp fell is my main verb. Number 9, Jake washed the rug in the bedroom. I see a prepositional phrase, in the bedroom. Oh, whoops. First word's preposition, last word noun, adjective. Who or what is doing the action? That is Jake. What did Jake do? Jake washed. Jake is my subject, washed is my main verb, and I have the rug. Rug is the complement. Adjective, arrow. Last one of the week. That girl is the sister of my friend. So, of my friend, prepositional phrase, my is a possessive adjective. Who or what is doing the action? It is that girl. Demo. Who's that girl? That's an old song. Who or what is doing what is the girl doing? The girl is ising. I know it's weird, but it is a verb. And we have the sister. She is the sister. It is a complement adjective. Now I'm going to give you a compliment that I would like you to write on the side. But this is a different kind of compliment. You are awesome. And now I want you to go read because you're awesome and you want to be even more awesome. Go read. Okay. Have a great night. Goodbye.